Ever wished you could snag the perfect eBay find now and pay for it later? Well, get ready to unlock a whole new way to shop on eBay. That's right, eBay has partnered with Afterpay, your new best friend for flexible payments, bringing you the ultimate buy now, pay later experience. Let's dive in. First, head over to eBay.com or open the eBay app just like always. Start by searching for whatever you're looking for. Browse through the amazing selection of items available, whether it's that vintage jacket, a new tech gadget, or a collector's item. The possibilities are endless. Once you've found the item you love, take a look at the product page. You'll now see the Afterpay option clearly displayed alongside the price, usually indicating the installment breakdown. When you proceed to checkout, you'll see a list of available payment methods. Simply select Afterpay as your preferred payment option. If you already have an Afterpay account, you'll likely get a prompt to confirm the purchase through your app or by logging into Afterpay. If not, it's super easy to sign up for a new account right there. Afterpay allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal payments. With the first payment due at the time of purchase, the remaining payments are automatically deducted every 2 weeks, making it incredibly manageable. You can easily track your payments and upcoming dates within your Afterpay account, keeping you in complete control of your budget. So go ahead, treat yourself. With Afterpay on eBay, you can enjoy your purchases now and pay them off responsibly over time. Happy shopping!